Like put your hands up. Even if you're a mute, put your hands up. Okay. I see about only a couple of y'all don't. Okay. So even if y'all don't, it's fine because today's class is not just about art. It's about learning about gratitude, and we're also going to do a bit of collage making, which is more of craft. So it's okay if y'all don't like painting and drawing and all that. Okay? Everyone is on and ready?
Right. I think they all are set. So just before we start, we want to welcome officially our fantastic architects turned art designers and artists and all the amazing creative people that you have. Thank you so much, Devika and Sukruti, for joining in. I think
Thank you, Doug.
the moment I announced about this entire session, everyone was excited. So I'm excited as well. They have an entire design studio called Reen. Is that right? I'm pronouncing right?
It's called Rain.
It's called Rain. Okay, it's
Yes.
REIN. And I've seen their work, guys. All of you who are there, I've seen their work. They're absolutely brilliant, very creative. Believe me, they will bring a world of colors to what we're doing today. Once again, welcome to Unschooling, and we call it the Hub Schooling. These are kids that were excited. Thank you so much for making our day.
Welcome. We're really excited to be here too. So for all you guys, just adding on to what Daud said, me and Devika are architects. Do you all know what architects do? They make buildings. So Devika and I based in Bombay, and we don't really make buildings as yet, but we work on making homes. So in Bombay, we all live in flats. So we design everybody's homes and build it for them. Okay, so that was about us. Apart from that, we take a lot of these art workshops. We met Daud at one of these workshops, and that's when he wanted us to do something like this for you all. So yes, that's about it. Okay, Devika, do you want to add something so that we can start?
Yeah, no, so if everybody's ready, let's start. Like, I just want to go over if you all have all the material that we asked for, and if you all don't have anything, what we can do about it. So first thing you'll need is like canvas, so a thick paper or a cardboard sheet. Do all of y'all have it? Like a square paper.
Yeah,
Okay,
fantastic.
fine. So this
Just
is
show your papers.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah,
do
this
this. Everybody just put your hands up. Okay? Every time Devika says, do you all have it? Just do this. Okay?
Yeah, okay. Then you'll need a pencil and a scale to just draw. Y'all have great. Then you'll need some glue. Okay,
Everyone
yeah.
has glue, right?
Okay. And then you need some like old newspaper. Or new newspaper, whatever. You need newspaper. And some paints. You'll have paints?
If you all don't have paints, even crayons are fine, but you all need some kind of color. Okay.
And then you need some, yeah, you need some tissue and rag to wipe your brushes.
Okay.
Yeah, and then big, if you want to draw a circle or something, we're going to have. Okay, great. I'm seeing everybody's having most of the things.
Okay.
So now what we're going to learn today is basically collage making. Collage making in any kind is, you know, when you take scraps of paper, different colored, paste them together and make something really pretty out of it. Okay.
Okay. Before we move to the collage, first let's talk to them about gratitude. So who knows what gratitude is? If someone knows, put your hand up so we'll unmute you. Does anybody know what gratitude means? No one? Okay, no. Ibrahim knows.
Ibrahim, I'm coming to you. Go ahead, unmute yourself.
Being thankful.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, that's
Perfect.
great.
That was good. Okay, so everybody over here, right now we all are staying in our homes, at least most of us, because of whatever is going on in the world. And Devika and I wanted to base today's lecture on the concept of gratitude, which means being thankful. And that does not mean you go around saying thank you to every person in this world, but that it means to be grateful and thankful about the small things in life. So You know, it could be anything. Like today I woke up and I was like, I'm so grateful for the sunlight. So for all of y'all, it could be anything. Now that y'all are staying at home, it could be uh, playing with my brother, eating chocolates, playing with my toys, watching something on the iPad, my mom, my father, anybody. Okay. So does everybody understand what being grateful is? Put your hands up if you do.
You want to go to a few of them, Shwetali?
Yes. Okay, who doesn't? Because I don't want to move on till you all don't. Okay, Aisha does. So Aisha, again, same. So, you know, right now we all are staying at home. We don't get to meet our friends, go to the park, go to play, go out with our parents for movies. We don't get to do any of that, right? But that doesn't mean we don't have plenty in our life to appreciate. So being grateful is actually appreciating what you have around you. And that doesn't mean just fancy things in life. It can be something very basic. Like I'm really thankful that my dad got me this storybook and I love the story and I got introduced to the story. It can be I'm really thankful that my mom cut my favorite fruit and gave me today. So it can be something very basic. Did you understand? I'm looking at only Aisha. Did you understand?
Aisha? The two Aishas? Yeah, Aisha Kazi, Aisha Aga, both of you?
Aga. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I think most of y'all would have understood right now. So what I want you to do is, I want you all to go on the chat. Do you all know how to type on this chat? Okay.
Yes.
Everybody has to write one thing that they are grateful for while being at home. Okay? Is everyone writing?
Sukruti, can I unmute them and can they speak to you? They are comfortable that way, perhaps. You think that's better?
I didn't hear him.
Oh, no.
Devika, did you hear him?
Oh,
Yeah,
no.
yeah, you can unmute them. He's
Yeah.
asking if he can
Yeah.
unmute.
Unmute them.
Yeah, you want to speak to them and ask any question on what is gratitude
Yeah.
that she asked? Yes, you want to answer? Who would like to go? Can I jump to Abdullah, Rushda? Rushda, you want to answer? What is gratitude? Are you thankful to your mom?
Yes.
Yeah.
You are?
For what are you thankful for?
Well, everything.
All right. Your dad's thankful, Rushda?
Yes.
Kind of. Okay, nice.
Okay.
Muhammad, yeah, go ahead. Muhammad, you want to answer? Muhammad Saqib, yeah, my Dubai Sheikh. Muhammad, what do you want? Are you thankful for anything? Do you have gratitude in you?
With my father, mother, siblings,
Okay,
everyone.
great.
That's nice. You tell me, Devika and Sukruti, I will jump to the guys you want to. You can raise your hand and I'll come to you. Salim wants to answer? No, Salim says no. Sana?
Lafira wants to answer.
Lafira, hold on, Lafira, where are you? I can't see you. Lafira, can you unmute yourself, please? Lafira, can you unmute yourself? Go ahead, speak.
I'm thankful for my mother because then we can break fast.
Oh, how sweet.
So cute.
Yeah,
That's nice.
that is
Someone-
very nice. Okay, who else?
Phil wants. Oh, yeah, Yusuf, hold on, I'm coming to you. Yeah, Yusuf, tell me. I've unmuted you.
I'm thankful that I am healthy in this epidemic.
Oh, that's health right now is the most important thing. So it's good that you're grateful. You should eat healthy and stay healthy.
I am eating no family time.
Okay, who's next? Faisal wants to answer.
Okay, that's Hafsa. Hafsa from Kolkata. Yeah, Hafsa, tell me.
I am grateful to my father because he is very interesting.
What? I didn't hear him.
That she's grateful for her father.
I am grateful to my father because he is very interesting.
Yeah. Oh yes, I know. I know her father. He's an interesting person. Yes. All right. We'll go to two more. We'll go to two more. Any two?
Yes.
All of you. Aisha Kazi. Okay, Aisha Kazi. I'm coming to you. Rest of you, please mute yourself. Yeah, Aisha.
I'm grateful for my family.
Okay, that's very sweet. We should, right now, we're all spending so much time with our families. We ought to be grateful.
Aisha, who does family start with? Your dad or mom?
Dad.
I love you for that, Aisha. So nice.
Is that your daughter?
No. She's my good friend's daughter.
Okay.
Yeah, I will ask Jumpy Juera. Jumpy, are you grateful for anything? That's fine. Hold on. Can you unmute yourself and speak up? What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful to God that they gave me family.
Oh, okay.
You guys remember meeting us?
Yes, in WeWork.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
How are you all?
she recognizes you. So there are a couple of them who saw you all there. All right, the floor is all yours.
Okay, so everybody has to think of that one thing that they are grateful for. Okay, because we're going to use that later in the painting. Now Devika will tell you all about what a collage is and how you make it. I will share pictures of the collage when she tells me to. So Devika, take it.
Yeah. Okay. So as I was saying, collage making is basically taking scraps of like different papers, different textures, putting them together and creating something really beautiful out of it. So you can generally make collages with newspaper, you can make it with magazine prints, you can make old photographs that you have. You could also take some designer paper. After that, you can also add some color to sort of make the whole art pop out. Okay, so Sukriti, share some images with them so they'll have a better idea of what I'm talking.
Yeah. So today we're going to make a collage out of newspapers. That's why we asked you guys to get newspapers. Just give me a second, I'm sharing.
So now during this time, I think it's the smartest that we save most of our resources and use what we have in the best way we can. So we've kept it simple and everybody has newspaper at home and we can experiment with that. So that's why we chose this today. Yeah, so can everybody see this image? Yeah, oh, they are muted. Okay.
Yeah, they can see, right? They can show the thumbs up.
I'm just going to keep swifting. Let's not ask them every time because then they're muted, right? So
yeah.
I'm just going to keep going.
Yeah, y'all can just give us a thumbs up. Yeah, so y'all can see how something like with a newspaper with just some paint on it and looks so pretty.
So these are all basically collages with paint over it. So if you all don't have paints, we'll color. But
yeah,
this is what we were going to do for today's class.
You can use any kind of paint. You can use your crayons, you can use color pencils, you can even use a black marker if you have. That option is open to you. This is a dictionary, I think, yes.
Yeah, that one was a dictionary, but I added it because it was really beautifully painted.
So basically, you don't have to stick to only newspaper. You can go away from it and try on other mediums as well. And like something they've done in this one is where they've cut the pieces exactly and made a cat out of it and stuck it on paper. So there are many things you can do with just this medium. So we are just going to introduce you to how it's to be done. I'm sure most of y'all will explore more and like get more creative on this.
Okay. So everybody now, Devika is going to show you all a little demo of how to do it. Once someone's showing their art, okay, Muhammad. Okay, once Devika is done, you guys can start. So Devika, show them how to do it.
Okay, so I have made like a basic of what we are going to do today so that you all have an example of what we are trying to make, okay? So can you all see? This is the canvas and I have stuck newspaper on it in like different patterns.
Bring it closer, na, Devika. You're a little far. Can you pull your laptop towards you?
1 second.
Little more.
Yeah.
All of you, sorry, Devika, all of you can click on the speaker's view or click on Devika's image and it'll enlarge. So you'll only see her. You'll not see yourself, right? All of you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So can you all see what I've done? I have stuck newspaper in like different ways. I've just like toned it and stuck it. Okay, now while I'm teaching y'all, I'll teach you 2-3 ways of doing it, so y'all can choose which one y'all want to do. And then when I was thinking of what I am grateful for, honestly, at this point, I'm really grateful that I have a shelter. I have my home. I'm safe over there. So I've drawn like a graphic of the home on it. Okay, so this is something we're trying to achieve, or like variations of this. Now I'm going to teach you all how to do this newspaper backing.
Okay, everybody, Devika has done a very basic drawing of a house. We won't make it this basic. She just wanted to show you all an example. So that's why she's quickly drawn that house. We are going to properly paint it and everything.
Yeah, we are going to properly paint it after this. Before this session, I just wanted to give you all a quick example. So this is what I put up very quickly. So, okay. Now, what you all need is your paper and your glue. So, first step would be to put some glue on the paper. Now, make sure that you don't put a lot of glue at one time, okay? Because if you put a lot of glue, it will become really soggy. And I'm going to take a small piece of newspaper. This is just initially small paper of newspaper. And then I'm going to spread this glue out. What this does is anytime you're putting Fevicol on a sheet and you spread it out, it spreads evenly. And then when you're sticking on it, the paper will also stick properly. Because newspaper is really thin. If you keep the thick Fevicol the way it is, your paper is going to get soggy and your newspaper will also get spoiled. So take that extra newspaper.
Step one, take Step one, take newspaper. Take Fevicol, put it on your paper and spread it with the newspaper evenly. So suppose this is your paper and this is where you're putting the glue. You will spread it like this, down to up to down, up to down. Okay.
Yeah. You're following with me, so I'll wait for a second if y'all are doing that yet.
I think Devika, you should just give a little demo and then they'll start.
Now I'm tearing like small pieces of paper. Yeah, you have a doubt?
Yeah, I had a doubt that we take a paper and then we have to cover it with the newspaper.
Yes.
Okay.
But pieces of newspaper, okay?
But not small pieces. So
you have to put on the scrap paper.
Yes.
Yes.
Not on the scrap paper, on your main cardboard paper that you have. That one.
Thick paper.
Thick paper.
Yeah. So you have to tear pieces of this like this. So I'll show you 2-3 ways of doing it. You can either tear pieces like this randomly and place them, or you can take your scissors. My scissors here. You could also do like strips of paper. If you like it like that, you could do straight strips of paper.
Ma'am, can we start?
No, just see what I'm doing for 2 minutes and then you can start. The 2 ways that I'm doing it.
Fahim, will you mute yourself, please?
So now I've done 2 things. I've cut strips of paper and I have these smaller pieces of paper, okay? Also, all of y'all, before y'all start working, put a scrap newspaper under your sheet because y'all are going to be applying glue and spreading it. I don't want y'all to dirty your base while you're working because the glue might touch the floor. So put like a scrap newspaper under it. Okay. Now I'm going to start sticking it. I've gotten my glue on the paper and now I'm spreading it downwards. Okay. Like there's glue and I'm going to like spread it fully. Don't spread it on the whole paper at one time. Do like half of the paper because the glue will start drying and then you'll again have to apply glue again. So just do like half the paper and then start pasting your Now it's not necessary that you stay within the paper. Like now how you can see how I've stuck this, it's coming out, that's fine, because you'll not have all the edges straight. We can cut it afterwards with a scissor to get a proper edge.
We can either cut it or we can fold it back with glue. You can show them that one.
Yeah.
Also, when you are taking pieces of the newspaper, don't try to take a lot of the colored sections. Try to take the parts which are more like black and white, which has more writing, less pictures. Because what you all are going to do after you all finish this collage is you all are going to paint over it. So if there is color at the base, the paint won't come out. So try to take like the black and white parts of the newspaper.
Can you all see how this is looking? Now all the part that's coming out, I can just fold it behind. Then I'll put some glue on the back to just secure it, and then so that it remains folded. But now I'm just showing you all how you can fold it behind. Okay, now I'm gonna show you all how the straight strips look.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you have to use the mount board or the scrap paper.
Mount board. Use a mount board.
I have cardboard.
That's
Yeah,
fine.
Chalika. It's fine. Use that.
Any thick piece of paper will work. Because when you apply the glue, it should be little thick. That's it.
Yeah. Now I'm going in with the strips.
Ma'am, can we start?
Yes. Now you all can start. I'm showing you how this looks, and then you could start. Can you all see how this looks? This look, and this is how the collage looks, just when I'm like tearing it and doing it. So y'all can start and choose whichever way y'all want to do it. And
I honestly feel like the one where she's taken random pieces looks much nicer than the straight lines, but y'all can decide for yourself what y'all want to do. She has taught y'all both the best.
yeah, even I prefer the just randomly toned one.
You can point it out and show them which one you're talking about.
Yeah, this is the one I prefer. The first one that I did.
Okay, now y'all can start. Y'all should take about 10 minutes to do it. Don't take very big pieces of the newspaper, but don't take very small ones also. Take medium size so that it doesn't look, if it's very big, it doesn't look good. And if it's too small, then it takes very long. Y'all can try the smaller ones later after this session. Since we have only 40 minutes, I think y'all should take medium size pieces.
Yes.
Okay. Devika, will you just cue the music?
Teacher.
The music.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you don't have newspaper, can you use like the old booklet?
If you don't have, sorry, what? If you don't have?
Yes. You can use an old booklet.
Yeah, you can use an old booklet if you don't have newspaper.
Just try and avoid, like the booklet should not have a lot of images in it. If they have a lot of writing, use that booklet.
Everyone's doing it, right? Give a thumbs up if all of y'all are doing it, please. So we know if nobody has questions. Like just put a thumbs up with your hand. Okay, everyone's doing it. Great. If any of y'all have any questions, just unmute and ask us, okay?
Yeah.
Devika, keep it a little closer to your laptop. Can't hear it properly. while you all are making your painting, I want you all to, while you all are making your collage, I want you all to constantly think of that one thing that you all are thankful for or you all are grateful for. Don't forget, because we're going to use that in the painting later. Devika,
Yeah.
has the music stopped?
It's on.
I couldn't hear it.
It's become low at this point, the music. When y'all are sticking, you all will see that, you know, there are some loose ends like this because you're pasting paper on paper. So just apply glue wherever it's needed and just seal everything so that everything becomes one flat surface. Once you all get done, start giving us a thumbs up, then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, Mohammed. Let's wait for the others also to catch up. After you all are done, please fold your paper in the back like this and just seal it. Okay, all the extra parts, so it looks like a proper square.
Okay, it's
Yeah.
1:36 over here in Mumbai. We'll wait for 4 minutes more and then we'll start with the next step. So whoever's not done, let's hurry up a little bit.
Yes.
Devika, can you
Yeah.
check your chat on Zoom? Or if you don't, if you want, I can text you also. What do you prefer?
Yeah, WhatsApp me.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done. I'm
Yes.
done.
Okay, fine. Let's wait for everybody to catch up for a few minutes. Did you fold it in the back? Show me.
Yeah, I cut it. I cut it.
Show me how
I'm
it's
done. I'm done. I'm done.
Okay.
Ma'am done. Ma'am done.
I'm done.
Okay. Once everybody is done, just show it to me in the camera like this. Okay. Lovely.
I'm done.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. Great.
Okay.
I'm
Looks
done.
very good, guys.
It's very good, guys. Very good.
Okay, so most of us
Everybody
are
is
done.
done, right? Am I missing out any?
If someone is not done, don't worry. You all can always continue doing it even after the session is over. The idea of the session is to teach you all how to do it. You all can continue doing it. So Devika, show yours also to the screen and then you can move to the next step. Okay, can everybody see hers? Can everybody put it on speaker view so you all can all see her? Devika, I'm muting myself since you're on speaker view, so just talk now.
So y'all can see, right? And I think everybody is somewhat the same. So now I am going to move on and tell y'all what y'all are supposed to. So did y'all all think of what y'all want to, what y'all all are grateful for? I'm grateful for my mother. So I'm going to sketch that and show y'all. Okay, so I'm going to do this graphic which I have over here. I'm going to draw it. Y'all can see how I draw it. If y'all have something else you're grateful for, you share graphics for that too.
Okay, so everybody, so a lot of you said mom, a lot of you said my family, a lot of you said my dad. Apart from that, I had thought of a couple of things that I thought you guys would be grateful for, like yummy food, cakes, chocolates, books, your iPad, your laptop. So all of these things, I have taken a picture of these things and posted it on our chat on Zoom. So y'all can download the picture that y'all want to draw and y'all can look at that as a thing to copy and draw. Devika is going to look at the mom picture out of that and she's going to draw that for you.
Yes.
I'll share the screen of what Devika is going to draw.
Yeah, I tried to show, but you can't see. So Sukriti will show it to y'all and I'm going to start drawing it. So I'm going to draw it with a pencil and I'm going to draw it thick so y'all can see it very clearly. Y'all don't have to make it very thick. Y'all just have to make it as visible. If it's visible to you, it's fine because we're going to paint it after.
So can you all, 1 second, I'm sorry, I didn't open it. In the
मैं ये बनाऊं brother या ice cream.
Okay, can everyone see? It didn't open, right? The mom?
No, it didn't open.
Okay, 1 second, I'm just going to reopen.
Sukriti, I would like to do the other mom one if that's okay, actually, the pink one.
But that, wouldn't that be very tough for these guys to copy? That one? I chose this one because I thought it'd be easier for these guys to copy.
Yeah, it could be easy.
Yeah, so then just do this.
Okay. So I'm going to draw this.
Devika, you can paint parts of it and make it as you want, but use this as a base.
Yeah. So y'all can also choose the one that y'all like, download it and draw along with me. I'm also going to start drawing now and keep showing you while I'm drawing. Okay. And if you have any doubts while drawing, then ask me.
Ibrahim Sauda, mute yourself.
Where do we have to draw?
On this sheet, we'll draw. So we'll draw.
Y'all can choose any
This
part
sheet?
of this sheet. Yes, the one where you'll stuck the newspaper, uske upar, on top of the newspaper. Now
I'll
remember,
draw here.
yes.
Okay.
Now remember that y'all can't really erase too much since it's glue, it will tear. So don't draw very dark that y'all need to erase, okay?
Yeah.
Someone's annotation is coming over. I think Devika just reshare the screen.
Yeah. Sukriti, can you reshare the screen? I don't know what these red lines are.
So these are annotations. Someone's laptop just moves away and they come in. By default they come in.
Okay.
All of you can, rest of you can mute yourself. Ibrahim again. Ibrahim Sadiq, please mute yourself, beta. Good. That's Wells is there.
With Aisha Aga.
Aisha. Good. Because there's a lot of paper moving around, so that's a noise.
Yeah.
Aisha, will you please unmute yourself? Mute yourself. Thank you.
Ayaz, Anas, can't you see the screen? The screen is on, Anas.
Sir, we have to draw this.
Wait, the mentors. What do you say, Sukriti?
Guys, so you all don't necessarily have to draw this. Whoever said they are grateful to their mom, they have to draw this. If you all said father, I have shared an image on the chat which is of the father. So you all have to draw that. If someone said I'm grateful for the chocolates or food I'm eating, then I've shared image of the food also. So you all can download whatever you all are grateful for from there. Apart from that, if you all are grateful for something else, tell me, I'll send you a picture of that as well.
Okay, Sukriti, can you just share the pictures? Like, can you run through the pictures? Even I was unable to download them from the chat. So.
Oh, you can't. Okay.
So just shut this bigger picture and keep that window that's.
Yes.
The window meaning where all of the images were there?
Yeah.
But I don't think they'll be able to see it. Let me just skim through them all once. Okay, guys, everybody look at the screen for 2 minutes. Okay. If anybody is grateful for their mom, they have to draw this. Devika will show you all how to draw this. If anybody is grateful for, say, watching cartoon on the iPad, then they have to draw this. If anybody is grateful for their laptop, which they're using for this Zoom session right now, then they have to draw this. If anybody is grateful for the food they are eating, or the chocolates or the cupcakes they're eating, they have to draw this. Similarly, this ice cream is for food. This is for if anybody is grateful for their best friend or their siblings, like siblings are basically your sister or your brother. If you all are enjoying playing with them, then you all have to draw this. If anybody is grateful for their father, you all have to draw this. This is another image for father. Now, apart from this, if you all have any other thing that you all want to draw, just write to me on the chat. I will send you all
Somebody said a car.
Car? Okay. Wait,
Yeah.
that's there too.
That's the boy from Qatar who wants to drive a car.
Yeah, I think I downloaded a car. 1 second.
So this mother image that I'm drawing, y'all can see is very geometrical. So there are like, so you have to draw circles. Mostly it's circles and straight lines. If y'all have any doubts while drawing it, ask me.
Just give me a second. I'm sharing that of the car. That image.
Yeah, Saqib, there is a car. Muhammad Saqib, all these boys want a car now.
I knew they would want the
Yeah,
car.
once the car discussion is out, they all want a car.
Ma'am, can we start painting?
Have you finished drawing?
Yeah.
Can you show it
Yes.
to ma'am?
It is very light actually.
What
Hold
did
it close.
you draw?
Ma'am, I want to draw a lion drawing.
You're grateful for a lion?
Yeah. The animals of the world that God has given us.
Okay.
If then nobody would be living.
Okay, I'll share an image of a lion with you. Can everybody see the car here? If anybody wants to draw a video game, then this is for the video games. There are some other toys also like puzzles and robots and other things. So this was like, I downloaded this for everybody who wanted to draw any kind of toys. For the, who wanted to draw the lion?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm downloading the lion for you and sharing.
ma'am,
Teacher?
Yes.
Yes.
start painting. I'm not able to draw the paint.
Yeah, Ibrahim Sadiq, Ibrahim, just unmute yourself and speak. Yeah, I'm unmuted. Speak. Go ahead.
I'm not able to draw.
Can you,
Ma'am, with what?
Ibrahim, go ahead, ask your question, please. Ibrahim Sadiq.
Ma'am, can you show the image?
Okay, step 1.
Yeah.
Anybody who's asking when can they paint, let's be little patient. Wait for 5 minutes. Let everybody finish. Then Devika will show how to paint. Second, who said they can't draw? Unmute yourself.
Ibrahim, unmute yourself. Ibrahim Sadiq. Yeah, go ahead. Speak to your teacher.
Ma'am,
Okay, what are you trying to draw?
family.
Family. Okay, I'm going to share a picture.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
and dad image.
Sorry.
We want car and dad image.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. One second. Who wants to draw the dad? Devika can show your dad and car both. So Devika, maybe you can take a plain white paper and draw on that and show it with a sketch pen.
To draw my
Fahim has a question.
image.
Can you open the image, Sukriti, and I can show them?
What if you want to draw a superhero?
That's your dad. We saw an
Like
S.
I'm grateful for him.
If you want to draw, Sukriti will share a graphic image of that with you. But a superhero, I think, would take like a little longer for you to draw. So,
Okay, first of all, whoever said lion,
Ma'am, family. Ma'am.
Right, everybody.
shared one for family, right?
You did one. Okay, everybody, all of the who listening, I think we should be grateful for a lovely session, right? So we'll draw what is there. We're pushing our instructors to download, and they're so wonderful. They're really great. They're downloading all for us, from lions to everything else. I think what is there we're going to draw.
yeah, I did.
Yes.
I didn't anticipate that they would say things like lion and all, but I've downloaded that anyway.
They are grateful for 2 teachers who are listening to them all the time. So they're really happy.
Okay. So,
Ma'am, can you show the image?
okay, who wants to see
Can
which
you show
image?
the
Okay, the
Ma'am,
lion
I
image.
want to see ma'am family image.
Okay, for family, you choose one person, either your mom or dad, and draw that. That I had shared with you. I'll share again.
Okay, who was having trouble with drawing? Can they tell me? Okay.
Ma'am, need
Yeah, Aisha, what do you want to draw?
family.
Family. Sukriti, can you open the family image?
No, they let them choose one, like either mom or dad, and let them do that.
Yeah, Aisha, so either choose mom or dad. Which
Mom.
like, mom? Okay,
Okay, so
fine.
here it is.
So I'm gonna draw the mom image and show you, okay? Okay, so you start with a circle on top. Can you see the circle for the face? You draw that circle, okay?
And with what should I draw?
Pencil.
Pencil.
Devika, I think you should draw with a darker thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it really dark. You don't have to make it that dark.
So for everybody who's drawing mom, please follow Devika so that you all can all do it with her.
Okay. So I've drawn a circle and then I draw a U under it. Like inverted U.
We should write in paper or
What?
we should write in paper or in the cardboard.
No, you should do it on this newspaper paper. I am just showing you on the blank paper so you can see it clearly. Because on this, if I draw, you can't see.
Devika, I have shared the image with you on your phone. Why don't you refer to that so that you can be on the speaker screen and they can view what you're doing?
Yeah, do that.
Ma'am, you didn't show the lion.
First, we'll draw mom one by one.
Okay, so have you all done the circle?
Ma'am, I still can't draw.
Have you drawn this?
Ma'am,
Do you
I
have your
draw
speaker
it.
view? Everyone put on your speaker view, please. And
I
everybody-
can't draw it on this.
Why can't you draw it on that? It's fine if it's very light because we are going to paint over it. So it's fine if it's very light.
Aisha, you can use a darker pencil or even,
A sketch pen.
pen, a sketch pen, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So first what you can do is you can draw very
I'm
lightly
drawing
with
it. I'm drawing it wrong.
It's okay,
When
Aisha.
I'm rubbing it is not rubbing.
It's fine. The pencil won't
Fine.
be seen. Even if you're drawing wrong, let the pencil marks be because we are going to paint on top of it. So it will go away.
All right, Shruti, Sukriti and Devika, I think what you can allow others to paint so that they get engaged, and then
Yes. So everybody who has already drawn their thing, who has already drawn it, put your hands up.
I think Ibrahim has already done.
yeah, Rushda, Aisha, Ibrahim, Juwaria, Nofil,
Okay,
all of
so
them.
all of you guys hold your
Mariam, yeah.
hold your whoever's drawn it, hold your collage up.
Show me your art.
Okay, great.
Yeah, where do we need to draw?
Okay, good. Okay, now after the drawing is done, you should choose two colors and paint on it.
So you have to fill everything that you've done, fill it with like different, whichever colors you like, you can fill it with. So I was going to work with like a green and a blue. So you all can pick your colors and start painting.
But make sure you take only two colors. More than that won't look very good.
Yeah, don't make it very colorful.
Ma'am, I still can't draw.
Yeah, Aisha, she's showing you.
Yeah,
She's
Aisha,
actually,
will show you.
yeah, she's helping everybody else so that they can.
Ma'am,
start
can you
doing
show
their
the
thing.
image?
Of mom? Of what? Which image do you want to see, Faisal?
Can you all put yourself on mute except the instructors? They will speak to you and then you unmute yourself. Everybody, Zara, Aisha, yeah, Umar, we can't see you. Umar Sharif, I can't see you. Hamza, mute yourself. Rushda, mute yourself.
Is everyone muted? Great. Okay, now Devika is going to show you. Everybody who's painting, continue painting. Whoever is not painting, Devika is going to help you all with the drawing. First, she's helping the people who are drawing more. So Devika help them with that.
Yeah, okay. So first you all have to draw a circle and then you have to draw inverted U under it. Can you all see how I've drawn it? Don't worry about your lines not being super straight. Even I have not made it straight because I'm going to paint over it. So it does not matter. So don't fixate over that at all. It's okay if you make double line, triple line to get the shape right. That's fine.
Aisha, are you getting it? These two steps, drawing a circle and then a ulta U. Inverted U. Where is Aisha?
I think she's busy now.
Okay.
Guys, how much you want to extend it to?
I think Devika should just draw her mom and paint it, and then they can continue doing it. So Devika just do.
Ma'am, done painting also.
Show.
I have drawn a video game.
Very good. Looks damn good. Yes,
That's
looks very nice.
I'm thankful that I got a video game and I played.
Okay, very good.
Super Mario, Contra, PUBG.
Yeah, let me ask your mom how thankful she is now.
Yeah, she must.
Of the video.
But you should also be thankful to the people who got it for you. So if your dad or mom got it, you should
Yeah,
go and
my
say
dad
thank you to them.
got it for me.
Okay, so you should be thankful to them also. Okay, Ibrahim, you're done with your art then.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
Yes,
Aisha, go ahead.
Yes.
I'm thankful to you for teaching me.
you're welcome, Ibrahim. Okay, Aisha, yes.
I got it.
Okay, good. Aisha, 2 steps are done. Next step, Devika.
Okay.
Ma'am,
After that, yes.
Ma'am, leave the meeting, ma'am. I have another class.
Yes.
Okay.
Ibrahim, see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, Aisha, can you see what I've drawn under the big U now? You have to make a straight line, then a curved line, and then a slanting line. Can't see Aisha.
Can everybody mute themselves? Except Aisha.
Fahim, you have to say, can you please mute? I'll come to you.
Even Zara.
Aisha, so straight line, curved line, and a slanting line. Okay.
Okay, good.
Again, we're going to draw another U.
Cool.
I've again drawn another U under it.
Devika, I think for Aisha, you let this only be the picture, not the pram.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
That looks good, Aisha.
Fahim has a big doubt. Sorry, Fahim, I missed you all along. Go ahead, please ask.
Actually, that collage it is like very wet to draw. Like when I'm draw.
So wait for some time. It will dry and then you should draw. That's why I told you
But
this.
but actually the drawing thing it's not visible.
It will be wet. So draw it darker. Draw it with a sketch pen. If you can't see it, draw it with a sketch pen. With a pencil, see I've drawn it still light.
Okay.
Can you see?
Oh yes, it's very light.
Yes, because you have to paint over it. So if you can't see it, then you draw it with a sketch pen so it's clear for you and then you paint over it.
Now, Fahim, you got your big doubt solved?
And another thing, what if I want to draw superhero like thing?
So we will share a graphic with you of a superhero and then you can try that.
Okay.
Okay?
Mute
So
yourself,
you are
Fahim.
saying I should draw on my own.
Ma'am, what's next?
Hold on, Aisha. Fahim, I'm muting you, sorry. Aisha, I'm muting you as well. Zara. Yeah, let the instructor speak. So I'm just muting everybody. Go ahead.
Yeah. So Fahim was saying that, now because since everybody has chosen mom, I'm showing you step by step of mom. Superhero, I will share a very simple graphic with you, which won't be very difficult, which you'll just have to copy. And then you can paint it with any color you want, like I'm going to paint it. So that's not going to be difficult at all. I hope I've solved your doubt.
Teacher.
Also, Fahim, if it's too wet, just wait for 5 minutes. It will become dry. It's okay if you don't finish your drawing right away. You can do it whenever you get the chance in the next half an hour. So it's okay. Don't get stressed out. And Aisha, yes, who's?
Ibrahim also has a doubt.
Yes, Ibrahim.
Mia. Teacher.
Yes.
If we draw, we can use the black color oil pastel.
Yes.
Yes, so you can use oil pastel colors. Try to choose only 2 colors and only draw with 2 paint with 2 colors.
No, the outline.
The outline, yes, you can do that also with oil pastels. You don't need to stick to pencil.
Yes.
You got your answer, right, Ibrahim? Just okay, he got it. Okay, who else is saying?
Ma'am, next step.
Yeah, next step. Okay.
Okay, Zara, unmute yourself, please.
Next step. Oh, he's also drawn a video game.
Looks good. Raya, it looks very good.
Can you all see the hand that I've drawn?
No.
Wait, I'm making it darker. I draw a V. So see, I draw a V. Then I draw a V on top of it again, like a double V, and then I join it with a curved line. Aisha, are you getting it? Draw 2 V's and then you join it with a curved line. After that, the last step would be to draw a heart on it.
I think, Devika, that's it for the guys who are drawing moms. Just
Yeah, that's what. Yeah. Now I'm going to just quickly start painting.
Ma'am, I draw the mummy very small.
That's okay. Even
That's
small
okay.
will be nice. You can draw more hearts and fill the other part of the drawing later.
Yeah. Now when you all are painting, make sure your brush is very dry, okay? Don't take a very wet brush. Super dry. And I'm going to go in with the pink color actually. Anyone see, I've started painting. I've made the heart. Now I'm going to paint the other mom also.
Singy, you're painting yourself. Yeah, Zingy,
Always wipe your brush with the tissue.
Can all of y'all look at what Devika is doing for 2 minutes and then continue what y'all are doing, because she's going to teach y'all basics of painting. Once y'all know that, then it will be very easy for y'all to even do things on your own. So just 2 minutes, all attention on Devika.
Use a lot of water, okay? Just no water, because this is all newspaper and we're doing it on a paper, it will get soggy. So use the paint directly from the bottle. Even wipe your brush, like your brush should be, you should dip it in water, wipe your brush and then put it in the paint. Now I am using two colors, I'm using blue and pink. So I've made the heart in pink and I've done head of the mom in blue. I'm going to do the body of the mother also in blue. Always when you all are painting, hold like little away from the brush, not too close, not too far. You know where this thing ends? This is where you hold.
Devika, can you keep giving them instructions of what you're doing?
Yeah. Now I'm painting the body of the mother.
We can only use two colors.
You should use two colors. Don't use many colors. It's already complicated, right? All the newsprints have all letterings on it. Your drawing will get very complex. So stick to two colors. Maximum 3.
Fahim has a big doubt again. Fahim,
Do we need to paint two colors on every drawing, like everything?
No, you can do one color also if you want.
Yeah, Fahim, ask please.
Yes.
And this is the rough sketch of what am I going to draw on the collar. This is nice.
Yes.
Fantastic.
It's a superhero, right?
Yes, it's Deadpool.
Oh yeah, very nice. So you
Yes.
can use red color. To do
I
it.
can clearly see the logo. So very
Yeah.
good. Did you draw it on your own or did you look at a picture?
Yes, ma'am, I drawed it on my own.
Very good, very good.
Fahim, you will make a great architect just like them.
So see, I'm done with the body now. I'm going to do the leg. Okay. So now if you all find it difficult to stick between the lines, what you can always do with paint is do an outline first and then fill the center part. So I'm going to show you all how I do that. Now I have gone over the pencil outline that I wanted to make of the leg. And now I'm going to fill inside.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Show me what you did. Oh, I love it. It's really nice. So Kriti, did you see that? It was so pretty.
Missed it. I was looking for a video on YouTube to play the music, but can you show it again, please? I missed what you were showing. Who was showing?
Sarah.
Sarah, could you please show me your art again? Oh, looks very nice. You actually do the pram and everything on your own. Wow, very good.
Looks very good.
You should go and show that to your mom and maybe gift this to her because you're grateful for her. Are you going to do that? Oh, she's still.
Devika and Sukriti, you were good with arts in school, or you picked it up later?
No, I was always very good. I was that kid who used to do all my partners' artwork also because.
Ma'am.
Okay, so you were my best friend in school.
Ma'am, can you show the picture?
Ma'am, can you show the picture
Of what? Sorry, of what?
of mother? Mother.
Ibrahim Sadiq. Ibrahim, I'm coming to you. Hold on. Guys, mute yourself. Zara, wait, we're getting screen on. Ibrahim, unmute and speak. Speak up, Ibrahim. Ibrahim, I can't unmute you, please. Yeah, speak. Yeah, Ibrahim.
I draw a flag, the Indonesian flag.
Okay, you want to see and comment on Ibrahim's. Hold on, Ibrahim, show it again to your teachers. Oh, that's.
Wait, I can't spot Ibrahim. He's not coming in my
Okay,
speaker.
hold on. This shy boy, he's in Singapore, and I think he's drawn the flag as well.
Yes, I can see it now. I can see it. Wow. So you're grateful for being in your country right now, Ibrahim?
Ma'am.
Dara, will you just give us 1 second? I just want to see Ibrahim's work and then I'll come back to you. Thank you. Okay, Ibrahim, go.
Ma'am, it got spoiled.
Okay, Ibrahim, speak up now. I'm muted.
Okay, can everybody mute themselves except Ibrahim? Yes, now go, Ibrahim. Tell us about your art.
We cannot see.
I'll just pull him up 1 minute. Yeah.
Can you show the mom photo again?
Ibrahim, speak up. Go ahead. Okay, I think Zara wants to show something. Okay, let's go. We'll come to Ibrahim again later.
Yeah.
Zara, show up. That's a lovely mom. Can you see Zara's, Devika?
No, I can't see Zara.
Okay, hold on. Just move the screen on the
I
second
can see Zara.
slide.
Looks very pretty, Zara.
Ma'am, can you see
She's
the
the one
picture?
who's drawn the mum in blue and heart in red.
Yeah, I can
Looks
see.
very good, Zara.
Yeah, I can see Zara.
Saida Mariam.
You guys, all of you should go and show this to your parents who you all have said you all are thankful for.
I am also done.
Oh, you also do the pram.
I'm done, ma'am.
Okay, show your art, Shushta. You do flowers. Are those flowers?
Ma'am? Yes, the flowers.
Yes. So you're grateful for nature around you?
And can you please show me the mom photo again?
Yes.
Very nice, Aisha.
Ma'am, the heart is ruined.
There's no such thing as ruin. If you've made it, it has to be good. There's no right and wrong in art. We always tell this to everybody at our workshop. There is no right and wrong. So you can never go wrong with anything.
Ma'am, my work is done.
Okay, will all you guys do me one favor? After y'all are done with the artwork, y'all have to go to your parents, borrow their phone for 2 minutes, with their permission, of course, and then send a picture of the art to Daud so that he can share it with us, because then we can see it properly over our phones and not through
Yes.
this. Okay?
You want to do it now, or shall I ask them to do it in the group and then I send it to you all collectively?
Yes, or you can just make a WhatsApp group and add us so that they can share it and then we can comment on it properly when we see it, because through the screen we can't really see it properly.
Yeah. So I have a group. I'll add you once they start sharing it. So this will be
Okay,
wonderful,
great.
isn't it? Perfect.
Great.
Perfect.
Okay, who else is done? Rushda, please mute yourself. Oh, Rushda has made her art for background. Very cute.
Wow. So smart. I'm loving seeing everybody's work. Oh, I
Yes.
like what Aisha Kazi has also done. She's made flowers.
She made flowers too.
Very pretty.
And I also like that you guys didn't stick to just what we were suggesting and you all went ahead and made your own drawings and your own things that you all are grateful for, which is the whole point of this. Very nice. Okay, who else wants to share their work with us?
Lafira. Is Lafira raising her hand?
Yes, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Yeah.
What have you drawn? I couldn't see it.
I draw a cupcake because I'm thankful for food.
Oh, very nice. Very good. What are you eating these days? Is your mom making you good food? Okay, good.
Okay, please, nice, Lafira.
Yes, Lafira, your brother also wants to share something?
Ma'am,
Wow.
Oh, he drew a computer, is it?
ma'am, the picture.
Yes, Sarah, 1 second.
Use
Can I move to Rushda and Zara? Yeah, these girls have done something really nice.
Wow, Lafira's brother has, I don't know his name, but he's drawn a really nice computer with like a,
That guy is Eklavya. He was not in the team.
okay.
No. He was hiding and looking at us. Good. Lafira, I think you got a cute brother. Wonderful.
Okay. Zara, you wanted me to send a picture, right? I'm going to do that. I'll do that one last time.
Zara, want to show something? We got Jueria and Rushda. I think they all want your validation, Devika and Security.
It's okay. Okay, where are they? Unmute yourself, guys.
Yeah, show them Jueria, please.
Very nice.
Wait, I can't see it. Oh, okay, I saw it.
You've drawn the family,
Oh,
right?
you drew the whole family. Wow, very good. And what is the younger one drawn? I forgot her name.
Zainab.
Zainab, what have you drawn?
She did not draw anything.
Why? You have to do it, okay? Once we keep the phone.
Ma'am,
Okay, Juveria.
Jueria, mute yourself. Zara, Rushda, yeah, Ibrahim, go ahead. Take turns. Ask for a turn and then mute yourself. Okay?
Ma'am, can you show the picture, please?
Who wants to see the picture?
Saad, what have you drawn? I didn't see you.
Zara, will you mute yourself?
ma'am, finished.
Wow, okay. I think
Ma'am, is this okay?
Who's showing?
Saad was showing. Saad, can you show again? Can all of you hold your pictures to the screen? Okay, Aisha,
Saad,
Saad.
you've drawn a car, I think.
Great. Aisha, I like what you've done.
Saad, I'm unmuting you. Can you reply?
Yours is very nice.
Okay, Saad, tell us about your drawing. Show it again and tell us about it. What have you drawn?
I'm grateful that I have a car.
Okay, very good. But you can't go anywhere, no, now in the car. During
I know.
Right. You need to
Who is missing it?
go. Very good, very good. Looks good. Okay, who's next?
Who's next?
Anas. Okay, hold on, Anas. There are a lot of your cousins around. They're making noise. I'm unmuting you. Muting you right now, Anas. Come again. Ibrahim wanted to show. Hold on. We've not seen Sauda, Saida, Mariam, Sana. Come on, Saida. Show us yours. Saida, can you show us yours? Yeah, that little shy girl. Oh, lovely. What have you got?
Where is she? Wait 1 second.
Right. Yeah. Saida, tell us.
I'm looking for her. Wait. Oh, I saw her. She's on an ice cream. Looks very good.
Saida, great.
Yes, very
Speak
good,
up,
Saida.
Saida, tell what it is.
Looks good. Looks very good, Saida. Okay, who's next?
Sana, can you show, please? It's okay, show, even if, yeah, oh, that's nice, Sana.
Oh, you're also thankful for your mom. Very good. You should give this to her after the session.
Ma'am, can you please show the picture?
Okay, Zara wants you to show the picture. Javika, can you show the picture?
Yes.
Is it good? It's you.
Just hold a little longer, Devika. I'll see if I can put this.
Is this
picture on.
okay?
Zara, now it's fine.
Can you see it now, Zara?
Hey, cool. Mohammed has just drawn one like you. Mohammed, yeah, unmute and speak. Devika, can you see Mohammed Saqib's?
Ma'am, is this okay?
Yes. Very nice.
Anas has drawn something in green as well. Anas, lovely. You can see that, Sakruti?
Fayaz has also made
I
it.
think the best thing that everyone can do is make it their background like Rushda has. So then we'll be able to see it very clearly.
Oh, Rushda, that's smart, Rushda. Hold on, I'll unmute her. Yeah, that's a shy smile from this girl.
Very ingenious that she quickly went and put it up in her background.
Yeah, Rushda, can you unmute and tell us? It's good to have an engineer for a father.
I don't have it.
You did it on your own? That's nice. Your brother helped you?
Ma'am, me.
After the session, you should message everybody on the group, Rushda, telling them how you did it.
Ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Right. It's all yours. Take it, Sukruti and Devika. Take it ahead. I think the kids are really involved.
Okay, so I think most of us are done showing. Hey, someone. Abdullah has left.
Sir, Abdullah Patel.
Yes. What have you made? You've written something. Sparrow. And what is there on top?
That's
Golden Sparrow.
Oh, very nice. You've been seeing sparrows around?
So Golden Sparrow is the name of the entire team. So Sukruti and Devika, we are unschooling them.
Ah, oh,
So-
I was wondering how it came to his mind also.
That's cool, Abdullah.
So wait, this whole group is called Golden Sparrow, is it?
Yes. So most of them are my friends' kids all over, but the ones in Bombay, they all now moved out of school, so they are not going to regular schools. They all are homeschooled, but it's like unschool concept, Golden Sparrow.
Ah, okay. So are you basically grateful of this community you have?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Hamza is also showing. Hamza. Very nice, Hamza.
Wait, I didn't see her. Let it come on the screen. Where is she? Hamza, can you unmute yourself so you come in my speaker view?
Yes.
Hamza, the lion guy.
Oh, nice. Okay, so he switched from the line. Okay.
Yeah. So it's practically the lioness, right? You drew your mom, Hamza, right?
Very good. I'm so impressed. All of y'all did this very fast and like with so
Very
much
creative. Very creative.
creativity. Okay, I think we are left with. Let me see who's are not.
Has Zara shown hers?
No, she's still drawing only.
Okay. No, she's
I
showing.
don't know if she's done drawing. Zara, you done drawing finally? Oh, she's done. Okay.
Oh, it's
Hold it closer. Hold
fine.
it closer.
Hi-Fi Zara.
Okay, Faisal is showing. Wait, can you get it closer and unmute yourself?
Faisal, take it closer.
Yeah, that's Hafsa, Faisal's daughter, I think. Yes.
Okay. Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, I like the colors you've used, Faisal.
So she didn't stick to two. She went overboard. Very nice.
Yeah.
Saqib, can you put your camera on? Yeah, we saw yours. That was yeah, but you can put your camera on. He's on a chat.
Okay. Let him come on then.
Yeah, we saw it was a green one, right, Saqib? With the mother and the pram.
Okay, is everybody done? Who's left? Put your hand up if you're left.
Ma'am, I just draw one more drawing.
Thank you. We'll do some other day.
Oh no, he's not. He's not a crocodile, is it? What is it?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Okay. Very nice. You
one is
like
mine.
dinosaurs? He went away also. You like dinosaurs?
Yes.
Which one do you like? You like Jurassic Park? You like the movie?
Yes.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, I think we are done. So I think we'll go ahead and wrap it. If someone's left with doing their art, then y'all can do it after this session also. Y'all can do a few more and try some more after we're done. Y'all can teach your younger siblings how to do this since it was very easy. But remember, at the end of it, it's not important to make something really, really beautiful. It's important to be grateful that you can make it. So remember that. That was the whole point of this session. We hope all of y'all enjoyed. Did all of y'all like it? Put your hands up if y'all did.
Yes.
Okay, everyone did. Very good.
I like it the most.
So cute.
I like it so much.
Okay, very good. Y'all should be doing art even when we are not coming to teach y'all. Y'all should make it a point to be at least 1 or 2.
Mom, I too like it.
Okay, good.
Ma'am.
Y'all should-
Yeah, Sarah, go ahead.
I too like it. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. Thank you guys for joining us today.
Thank you for being so patient and sincere.
Thank you so much, Sukruti and Devika. It was so wonderful. I think we should express our gratitude to you both. You've been so amazing.
Thank you, Dawood. Thank you for letting us do this. It was so much fun. It's, I think, the first time we are teaching so many kids.
I think you took a very lovely topic of gratitude, especially in lockdown. I think you're thankful for so many things.
Yes. Thank you.
Everybody, bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Guys,
As always,
don't
I'll
forget to share
put
pictures on the group.
I'll share the recording and the pictures within the group and with you both as well.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye.
I made another design.
Very-
You're going to be held up till 4 o'clock. If you want, I'm not going to close this.
Share pictures of the new drawings also on the group.
All of you put them on the WhatsApp group and I'm going to share. I'm going to add them. That's the best thing first, and then you share. Thank you so much,
Yes.
both of you, once again. Really, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye,
Bye.
everybody. Bye. Bye, guys, everyone. See you
Bye.
Saturday.